Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Casio F105W. This is going to be a great alternative to the Casio F91W. As you can see, I have it right here, the OG, and then I also have the W86, which as you can see is going to be a little bit bigger, I believe, compared to this one. But without any further ado, let's unbox it. As you can see, it comes in a different watch case compared to other Casio watches. Very simple plastic case. Here underneath we have the manual, so all the functions and features that you need to know and how to set them, and the module 3298. This is going to be the movement inside. Then we have the tag right here, once again the model number, and here we have the watch. As you can see, it has a nice sticker that actually protects the front of the watch, and as you can see, the colors are already very nice. So this is something really cool. I really like this blue, it really pops out, especially compared to the Casio F91W. As you can see, we have illuminator written right here because we have the full LED backlight. Let's also have a quick look right here. I'm also going to close the light so that we can check it out. And then here on the back we have the classic stainless steel back, the model number F105, and it also comes on the classic resin strap. It has the resin case. And let's talk specs. So when it comes to the watch dimensions, we have a case width, so from left to right, of 35.4 millimeters, a case length or the lug-to-lug distance of 39 millimeters, which is going to be a little bit bigger compared to the Casio F91W, and the case thickness of 9.6 millimeters. Also, it has a very small weight, so it has only 21 grams. You can easily upgrade to, let's say, a leather strap, a NATO strap in case you want to do so, but I usually really like these resin straps by Casio because they are very flexible and they are going to last for many years to come. Then when it comes to the case, as I mentioned, also resin. The display is also resin, so it's going to be easy to polish in case you scratch it. As you can see, the design is quite interesting, and I really like that it looks, let's say, with a very new vibe, so let's say a more modern vibe, like a reinterpreted Casio F91W. So that is something really cool. And I know that a lot of people complain about the weak backlight of the Casio F91W, so this is going to be a very cool upgrade. Then we have the CR 2016 watch battery. They say that it is going to last for 7 years, but all of us know that usually that means at least 10 years in Casio time. And then we have the classic Casio functions. As you can see, we have the time and date displayed. We also have the PM, and as you can see, we can easily switch to military time. So if I press the button on the right, I'm going to go to the 24-hour display. And if I press the mode button, we have the alarm. Then we have the stopwatch. And then we have the setting of time and date. So that is going to be something really cool. So I would say that this is a very nice reinterpretation, modern piece that is going to be an upgrade from the Casio F91W, especially if you found this model smaller. And then we also have the side-by-side comparison with the W86. I like this model a lot as well, but as you can see, they're very similar in size, but this one looks, let's say, more modern compared to this one that has this, let's say, weaker color on the display. Also, let's see how you can read the time. As you can see, from a very small angle as well, so that is something that I really like about these Casio watches. Let's also see if we have the Casio test. Yes, of course. And now let's switch off the lights so that we can also see the light comparison between the F105 and the F91W. So this is going to be the light of the F105. and here on the left side we have the F91W. So you can see the clear upgrade from one model to the other. So guys, that was the quick video that I had for you today. A really nice model. I really like it a lot. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below in case you are interested in buying it, as well as the other two models as well. In case you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. If you want to see more videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe. I'm also going to post a full guide with all the functions and features, and also how to replace the watch battery on this particular model. Also guys, in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintagerela.com, link in the description box below, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, and I will see you guys on the next one.